My Hermes agent has had its own email address for a week. Not my inbox, its own. Hermes-agent@robotomail.co. I told it to handle its own email, and I mostly stopped looking. Here's what a week looks like. Day 0. The setup is one Discord message. Hermes already has the Robotomail skill, so I just set the rules. 100 cents a day, anything risky needs a yes from me, and leave a note in Discord for anything unusual. No dashboard, no cron job, just an agent with an address. Day 1. It signed itself up for 4 services. Linear for the team board, a status page, 2 newsletters. Every verification code landed in its own mailbox. And it just kept going. The old way, that's 4 times it pings me and waits. Day 3. A vendor emailed it a quote. Hermes asked about SSO, booked the call, and dropped a 2-line summary in Discord. Day 4. 3:11 a.m. A send bounced. Typo in an address. It caught the bounce event, fixed the address, resent, and left me a note. I read it over coffee. Day 7. The tally. 41 received, 26 sent. 4 signups, 1 bounce self-healed, 1 cold pitch declined, politely. And the part I didn't expect? I stopped thinking about its email entirely. An agent with its own address isn't a script you babysit. It's a teammate with a desk. Give your Hermes agent a week like this. The skill is at robotomail.com/skill. Go build.